The BJP has now reacted to Sanjay Raut's comments against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The BJP has said that the opposition has repeatedly engaged in personal attacks against the Prime Minister, adding that such remarks can put the Prime Minister in harm's way. The BJP also says that the voters of Maharashtra will give a befitting reply to the opposition. Now the reactions from the Saffron camp are pouring in. Let's listen in.
ये वही लोग हैं जिन्होंने मोदी को मारने की धमकी, हिटलर की मौत मरेगा, कब्र खुदेगी, उनके परिवार को गाली, उनके समाज को गाली, वो ओबीसी है इसलिए उनको गाली, वो चाय वाले थे इसलिए उनको गाली। इस प्रकार से 120 बार से अधिक उनको गालियां दी है। परंतु मैं सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं संजय राउत जी से कि जब महाराष्ट्र के दैवत, महाराष्ट्र के देवता समान हमारे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की प्रतिमा को अपमानित करने का काम राहुल गांधी के हाथों से हुआ, तब आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया थी? ऐसे लोगों को जहां पर भी जो सलीके से उनको जवाब देना है, वो महाराष्ट्र की जनता देने वाली है।
उद्धव गुट के नेता संजय राउत पूरी तरह से पागल हो चुके हैं। निराशा के कारण उनके मुख से अभद्र वाणी के प्रयोग हो रहे हैं। आदरणीय वंदनीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के बारे में, जिन्हें लोग केवल एक पुरुष के रूप में नहीं, ईश्वरीय पुरुष के रूप में सारा देश उन्हें देख रहा है, न उनके आगे कोई न पीछे कोई, त्यागपूर्ण और समर्पित जीवन इस मां भारती के लिए वो जी रहे हैं। ऐसे व्यक्ति को, ऐसे वंदनीय हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी को आप आक्रांता के साथ जोड़ोगे? क्या हो गया आपकी मति को? पराजय का डर आपकी बातों से स्पष्ट दिख रहा है।
And Vinaya continues to be with us on the broadcast. So Vinaya, May 13th, 11 seats in Maharashtra. May 20th, 13 seats in Maharashtra go to the polls. So the election heat escalating, and clearly Prime Minister Modi has always been able to use these personal attacks against him in the election narratives to turn the tables against the opposition, and clearly we are likely to see that in Maharashtra as well.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to continue a whirlwind tour of Maharashtra in the coming few days, particularly at a time when Mumbai goes to polls. Remember, Mumbai goes to polls. All the 6 constituencies of Mumbai go to polls on the 20th in the 5th phase, and we will see that even tomorrow the Prime Minister will be in Mumbai, in Maharashtra for poll campaigning. In fact, it isn't just tomorrow. We are seeing that over this week, at least, both Amit Shah as well as Narendra Modi will be in Maharashtra. Tomorrow, we will see that the Prime Minister will be in Maharashtra. Amit Shah will be in Mumbai on the 11th of May. The Prime Minister will be in Mumbai on the 15th of May for a road show which he will have. Thereafter, he's going to hold a rally in Mumbai on 17th of May, teasers for which have already started coming out, where Raj Thackeray and several other prominent leaders of the Mahayuti will be seated on the dais with him. So clearly at a time may be Nandurbar tomorrow, where the Prime Minister is expected to address a rally. We will see that it is likely that after coming here, he will hit back at the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction, because remember, the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction is also banking on it in some sense, because even yesterday the Prime Minister spoke of it when he was outside Maharashtra. So the war of words is only likely to continue now that Sanjay Raut has spoken in a rally, and that the Prime Minister will continue to be on tour in Maharashtra at various places starting tomorrow. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Vinaya, for joining us on the broadcast with that piece of breaking news. So